Anong trabaho nga ba ang pwede sa mga Pinoy dito sa Thailand? Sa video ito, sasabihin ko ano ang pwede nyo applyan pagdating nyo dito sa Thailand. What's up mga kanaisers? This is part 2 of the video series ng Pinoy jobs dito sa Thailand. Sa part 1, sinabi ko na ang top 5 na pwede nyo applyan pagdating nyo dito. At yun ay teacher, hotel staff, restaurant staff, nanny tutor or housekeeper, and or musician. So for today's video, let's move on sa top 6 to 10 na mga pwede nyong applyan na work. Wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, let's get on with number 6, and that is office staff. So sa office staff, pwede kayong maging part ng marketing team, pwede kayong maging part ng sales team, even HR department, and or graphic design team, and many more. For me personally, I've been part of the graphics team or the design team, which is also part of the marketing team. Most of the time, preferred ng mga Thai companies ang marunong ng both English at Thai language. Pero, don't be discouraged kasi there are also international companies or companies that are run by foreigners na hindi masyadong stricto kung hindi ka marunong mag-Thai. Very competitive ang mga companies dito, kaya naman you need to make sure that you are upgrading or enhancing yourself and your skills. Do not be stagnant in your skills, always upgrade, always seek more advancement in your career, and also make sure na you are aiming for something higher than your current position. Anong klaseng office ang pwede nyo pasukan? Logistics, law firm, schools, and many more. If you want to come here and find jobs in an office, there are websites na available like JobsDB, sometimes Craigslist, and many more. Working as an engineer. Personally, I have some friends who are working as engineers. Some of them were interior designers, some of them electrical engineers, chemical engineers, draftsmen, and many more. In the engineering field, the jobs are really high paying, but at the same time, they might be a little challenging to come by kasi marami mga jobs na required marunong ka mag-Thai. If you are learning how to speak Thai, that is very advantageous. If you're not learning how to speak Thai, then I suggest you find someone or you find a company that will hire you from overseas. It will be very easy to transition from your job wherever you are and then go to Thailand to relocate for your next job. Recruitment or headhunters. Marami akong kilala na they work as headhunters for a recruitment agency to outsource to another company. And since they are dealing with high-level position jobs, a proficiency in English language is an advantage. You can work in many headhunting firms dito sa Bangkok. If you have an experience in being a headhunter or working in a talent acquisition field, then being a headhunter, part of an HR department will be good for you. So many opportunities here. Just make sure that you are confident in your interpersonal skills and also become English proficient so you can work in this kind of field. Next one up, IT or computer programmer. Dito sa Thailand, especially sa Bangkok, a lot of startups have started emerging recently. A high demand in computer programmers and IT specialists are needed for these startups. You can work directly with a company or you can work in an IT firm that provides these services to startups or to big companies alike. I don't know the specifics, but I have friends who are working in this industry and they are very happy because benefits-wise and salary-wise, it's very, very good. So if you're interested to work in Bangkok as an IT specialist or programmer, then go ahead. It's very good kasi maraming opportunities to work, not just in international companies, but also in Thai companies. Narinig ko sa mga kaibigan ko that they can also become freelancers because it pays more and they are more flexible with their time. They work with Thai companies and companies overseas, and they are very happy because compensation-wise, lifestyle-wise, they have no problem staying in Bangkok. So if you want to work here in the IT field or programming industry, go ahead. I invite you to Thailand. Of course, wala pa ring tatalo if you have your own business. I have some friends here in Thailand and they have their own businesses and they are booming. Meron ako mga kaibigan who own their own business. 1, law firm. 2, travel agency. 3, apparels and clothings, and even food and beverage. Ang daming opportunity dito sa Thailand to earn. But of course, there are different challenges for foreigners who want to establish their own business. I can make another video of that, pero for this time, I'm only trying to introduce what kind of jobs and work you can do as a Filipino dito sa Thailand. If you have some questions about this, don't hesitate to comment down below kasi I will answer them and I hope to help you in your job search. Sa ngayon, yun lang muna. I'll see you in my next video. Peace!